you make money on YouTube Shorts without actually making videos? Now, if you don't know what YouTube Shorts is, it's basically YouTube's version of like TikTok videos or Reels videos, and those videos are usually give or take around 60 seconds. Now, if you're thinking, hey Shelly, how is anybody gonna get monetized off of 60-second videos? Don't even worry about it, because that is not what this video is about. By the way, if you're wondering who is this girl, I'm Shelly Hopkins, and I teach you how to make money online, whether it's affiliate marketing, side hustles, you name it. And if you're not gonna wanna miss any of these videos, and especially to be one of the few people that's in the beginning to get started with some of the stuff I teach, then you're gonna wanna subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you get notified every time I come out with these videos. Now, when it comes to making YouTube Shorts, making some money from them without creating videos, there's not tons of steps, and they're actually easy to do, but you're gonna wanna follow along, because like in all my videos, I'm gonna show you step by step. That way you do know that you're doing it the right way and you don't get lost. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm gonna show you another way where you can make even more money. So stay to the video. It's over, okay? All right, so the first thing we need to do is you have to pick a niche to find videos that are gonna do really good to make money on YouTube Shorts. So I'm in an incognito window. So the first thing that we are going to search for, scary moments. This is a good one. See, 19 million, 18 million. So like being scared would be a good 15-second to 60-second clip. Another one would be, for a good niche, would be funny animals. Me and my daughter will sit in bed and we'll watch it on our phone all the time. So taking a little clip from one of these, that's a great idea. Another good idea for a niche is gaming, because a lot of people doing the whole gaming stuff. This is just one example. Roblox is a really good one too. But we are gonna go with the health niche. So if you were to click on this video, and it's 45-day process of losing weight of belly fat. So let's save this video. So if you click on share, go ahead and copy this, go to yt5s.com, paste it, okay, get link. You can download it. You can even put it directly on here. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you two options, because now we need to make the video a mobile view. So Canva is free. I also have a link for it down in the description. So if you go to a mobile view, find one that's free. All right, now let's quickly just get rid of this. All right, take the picture, slide it over. Once you have it over, let's make it bigger. Now we want to get the part that we actually want to show. So if you do here, and then just take this and move it. Okay, 25 seconds. Then click done. Go over to text. I like this one. So we want to put this title here. Pretty. If I can make it small enough. Link in comments. And I'm going to tell you why I'm saying in comments, because you're probably thinking, why in comments, Shelly? And you could put like link in comments down here, but you might do something kind of catchy, kind of like take a chance, or you can do it. Or how about go for it? Let's do the same thing. Make it smaller. It don't gotta be perfect. Then you can just download it, save it. The second option is Filmora. So this is Filmora 11. This is what I actually use, but Canva's free. But I just wanted to show you this. So you can leave it how it's wide. So it'll still be the tall wide, doing the same thing. But what I like is in here is you could right click on the video once you have it all edited, and you can do auto reframe and analyze. Cause see, the ratio is supposed to be 9:16. I have 5 companies hiring only remote online jobs. One is Deal. It's letsdeal.com. Number 2 is actually pause it. You can even move it where you want it to be. So this is just one other example, and then you would just export it and be done. But it would be if you wanted it to look just like that. Then you go to YouTube, upload your video. Okay, once you have your video, this is what's important, because you have to think of SEO. So you want to title it something that is catchy, kind of like, and that people are searching for, like how to lose belly fat. And I have pre-settings right here. So of course this would be different because this isn't I do how to make money online, but this is a really good one because a lot of people want to lose weight, so the health niche is great. And you can put a thumbnail. I haven't done it in a while, but I'll do a thumbnail. But when you're on your cell phone, and most people are on their cell phone, they don't even see a thumbnail, so you don't have to do anything really like that. You want to put the same thing from your title, your description. Now listen guys, if you're thinking, I don't even know how to create a YouTube channel, I'm going to put a link up here. And it's how to create a YouTube channel. And if you're into affiliate marketing, it actually focuses on affiliate marketing, but it's how to create a YouTube channel. So go there, and it's step-by-step instructions. In the description, we have that. And then you can put playlists. But what's important is you have your tags. So you'll want to put how to lose belly fat here. You'll want to put how to lose belly fat in the tag. You can go to other videos and look at the same thing and see what's doing good and use their tags. So also don't forget, you need to put shorts and then also copy it and put it in the tags as well. But now you're thinking, Shelly, how do I monetize this? How do I make some money? It just got downloaded. That's what took. Oh my gosh, I downloaded the wrong one. I clicked the longer one, not the short one that we made in Canva. That's okay. You get the point. See, I'm not perfect. So then, okay, let's get some money, guys. Okay, if you go over to clickbank.com, this is what we're going to do. Okay, I searched burn belly fat because there's an exercise, and the exercise is about, your stomach. Hey, do me a favor. If you're liking this video, leave me an emoji in the comments just to let me know. Thanks. And I like this one here, Deep Belly Detox, $20.36. Imagine everybody that actually clicks on that and buys it. Generate hop link. Take this link, copy it. Now, if you want to make it look good, you can always go to bit.ly.com. Create, and if you do paste in there and hit enter, create, see this right here, and you could even put burn belly fat, save. Okay, and then you would just copy this, now here's the thing. Okay, you're going to put this in the description, but you noticed that we put on there we put it in, we didn't say description, we said in the comments. That's because if you look on YouTube Shorts, it takes forever. You can't really get on a phone, and most everybody's on the phone. You can't get to the description. So just take this here and copy it. And then after it's posted, just click on the video itself and just put it as the first thing in the comments and then pin it. That's it. And then that way it is the first thing there. That way, as soon as they click on this, guys, and if they're on a computer, it's going to be here. It's going to be in the description. But that way you have it in the description and you have it in the comments. That way that then they can get to it. And see, they click on this and they want to lose the weight, and they're going to click on here and they're going to buy. That way you're going to get monetized from it. Does that make sense? Hey friends, did you like the video? If you did, smash that like button. And I told you that if you would stay to the end of the video, I would show you another way where you can make even more money. And it's exactly what I do. Now, I actually love teaching you all these kind of different ways to make money online, because I tried a bunch of these, and a lot of people consider them side hustles, and that is perfectly fine. I love side hustles. It's what got me to where I'm at today. I mean, I've tried all kinds of stuff, trust me. But what worked for me doesn't necessarily work for you. Like this video, you might love it and run with it. But if you're interested in learning what I do, then it's going to be the first link in the bio. And I have been doing this for 4 years, and I just work at home, online, and I do this. I help you make money online. And I went with this niche because I had no help in the beginning, and I was a single mom. I still am a single mom, and I had no help, and I wanted someone to help me, but I didn't even know where to turn. I really didn't know where to look, to tell you the truth. And I'm like, I'm gonna be that girl that helps you. I'm gonna be that girl that helps pave the way, and they don't have to go a whole year before even making $1. So I am that person. I wanna be your person. Grey's Anatomy, if you don't, yeah, just roll with it. But seriously though, it's the first link in the bio, and it helped me. I know it can help you. It's helped thousands of other people. So go ahead and click that. And if you do, go ahead and comment and let me know, so I know that you're on board and I can help you. And if you liked this video, there's going to be a video that's going to be up next. Go ahead and watch it. It has to do with making videos without making videos. Not shorts, but still, I think if you like this one, you'll like that one. I'll see you in it, because I'm in it. Get it?